back to another episode of Jared's Kitchen. I have my beautiful sister Avon and my beautiful niece Lily, and today we're gonna show you how we make our authentic Jamaican jerk chicken oven style.
Yummy.
And I'll also be doing some Jamaican Festival, which is very similar to fried dumpling but with a little more sweetness and a little more love. So if you like this video, you know what to do already. Give it a big
thumbs up and comment and like
Share.
and share and subscribe.
So let's start
get
cooking. Let's talk about the ingredients we'll be using. Here we have some allspice. Okay. So we're gonna open it like this. Okay, that should be enough.
Paprika.
Yes, we're gonna use some paprika.
Tell me when. Onion. Garlic powder. Ooh. Sazon. Salt, my pink Himalayan sea salt. Garlic.
Some chopped garlic. Okay. And this is basically one head of chopped garlic. The flavor. Here we also have some scallion and scotch bonnet pepper. So you can't cook Jamaican jerk chicken without scotch bonnet pepper.
Thyme.
And we're also using some,
And the piece de resistance. Some sugar.
just to balance out the
Hotness.
spice.
Yeah.
Okay, and here now we're using some jerk seasoning. You can blend your own, but I decided to try this.
And this is mild because we don't like too much spicy.
So guys, this is where we get down and dirty. So guys, this is how it's looking, and we're gonna cover it so it can be marinated. So we'll give it about an hour, and then we'll start an hour. Where we're gonna start it?
Festival or something? What do you think? Remember, I'm working for you.
We're gonna do some festival now, Jamaican style. Let's talk about the ingredients for my Jamaican Festival. You should definitely try it. Here I have some all-purpose flour, and to that I'm adding some cornmeal. I'm also adding some granulated sugar as well as some baking powder, and I'm also using a pinch of salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and combine everything. Okay guys, so I'm adding a touch of orange soda and This was taught to me by a good friend of mine, and I tried it and I loved it, and I'm just sharing it with you. So we're gonna go ahead and knead it with some ice cold water until it forms a nice soft dough. Okay, guys, this is how you want the dough to be, nice and soft and stretchy. And I'm gonna cover it for about 40 minutes just to let the dough relax a little bit. So I will see you soon. My chicken is nicely marinated. It is smelling good. Nicely, right, Lily? And we're gonna go ahead and start putting them in our baking tray. So we're gonna take them up a bit at a time. Lily, you're doing this side.
All right, you and I will do this, Lily, and Auntie Gerald do over that part.
Because you know what? It's a family affair.
Take off the seasoning. You take off the seasoning.
Yes. It's not gonna burn, only the time.
Lily, you're doing a good job.
Good job, Lily.
Lily Bell, Lily Bell, Lily Bell. Wait, we're going to kind of create space. Wait, one moment, Lily.
Put some here.
Put some, yeah. I don't want this to be too full over here. It's okay over here? I'm taking it, please. That's good?
This one more. Let's
Over
find a
there.
space for this, Lily.
Alright, you can put the gloves in the garbage now.
Guys, now we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 1.5 hours until it's nice and golden brown. So we'll come back from time to time to check on it. Now my peeps, my chicken is looking so good. Let me just turn it over. We want all this liquid to dry out. It's very tender and it's almost cooked all the way through. And I'm just gonna now go ahead and turn it over just to allow the other side to be brown. Okay. Guys, now my chicken is cooked all the way through. I'm gonna put it on the air frying mode. That's about 400 degrees, just to allow the liquid from the chicken to dry out and give it that desired color. Okay, guys, I'm now ready to start. Look at how it's looking.
Nice and stretchy.
Nice and stretchy. I'm gonna go ahead and pinch it up, and we're gonna do even so we get the same sizes. Guys, the oil is now hot enough, and I'm gonna put them in small portions just to allow them to fry evenly. Okay, and you'll know when one side is done because it will float at the top of the pot. And it is very important that you have the right temperature, because if it's too hot, then the outside of the festival will be fried and the inside will be raw. And if it's too cold, it's gonna be really soggy, and you don't want the festival to soak up all that oil. You want it as healthy as you can get it, okay? This set is now ready, and I'm just taking them out and I'm putting them on a paper towel just to absorb the excess oil, and I'll be doing the rest, so stick around. So look at my chicken, it's all done. It has a nice beautiful color. Look at my festival, it is so beautiful. I can't wait to get my teeth in it. Look at how moist it is, and there is no oil. Let me just break it just to show you how it's looking. I can't wait to have a bite of this, guys. Seriously, can't wait. So this is an authentic Jamaican cooking, and we have a special festival going on here, the braided festival, and it was made by my niece.
Okay.
Okay. So please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye bye from Gerald's Kitchen.